Hey, it's David C. with the brokerage.
And John Tafoe with the brokerage.
We have a new for sale listing here at 4268 Spruill Avenue, 7,400 square foot. We call it a warehouse, but really it's a very flexible space.
It really is. It's wide open right now, David. Real tall ceilings. We're at 20 feet right to the steel, 7,400 square feet. Plenty of parking right here on Spruill Avenue.
And Park Circle has changed. Most people know this already, but if you haven't walked it, here's what's going to happen. Spruill is going to change the on-street parking, and it's going to become even more of a pedestrian hotbed. You have breweries here. You have great places to eat. It's very walkable in general. So you could use this for really retail or office, even some other type of distribution use.
Sure, absolutely. You've got these roll-up doors here, David. You can have trucks on both sides for sure. Great lunch spots if you use it for an office. Your folks could go right over here to the Codfather. They could walk up to Park Circle and have a great lunch as well.
Yeah, it was previously operated as a gym, and it has some areas where they could be turnkey offices for you. Beautiful bathrooms, men and women's bathrooms, great plumbing in place. And then you have a great tapestry here where you could pretty much do anything that you want to within the permitted zoning.
That's for sure. And this is kind of a landmark building here, David. We've got this beautiful sign up on the building. It says Park Circle, so welcome to Park Circle.
Yeah, so come take a look if you'd like to see it. If you're in the market to buy a piece of real estate, you can contact me, David C., 843-364-6720.
And you can get in touch with me, John Tafoe, 843-813-1228.
Thank you.